Well, I had several teeth missing from extractions, and it made me uncomfortable at times to smile. So coming into Dr. Parkin's office, she was able to tell me, take me through, show me pictures of what my mouth could look like. She gave me the options that, if I don't go ahead with implants, the teeth will be shifting, and it's already been shifting. So we agreed to the implants. She taught me through the process. It's not a one-day visit, it's several time visits before the total restoration would be. With teeth shifting when there were no teeth there, now I got teeth in, so now it needs to be aligned. So they taught me about the option of wire versus the Invisalign. So I opted for the Invisalign so as to get all my teeth aligned. She showed me a picture of what it would be at the end, and I was very happy with that. So even with this Invisalign, it wasn't like a brace that's on my teeth. It was just Invisalign, you pop on and you pop off. So it was a very much comfortable process. Now I can laugh and be comfortable with the laughter, because people tend to look at your mouth also. So now I'm comfortable in which I have my teeth all straight and all teeth in place. And also eating is much better. There's nothing that you want to eat on one side. Now I can eat on both sides of my mouth. Now that all my work is done, I'm very happy with my smile.